Problem set 2, group 6, Monica Murphy. The next question we're going to look at is problem 7E. The entire population of a given community is examined, and all who are judged free of colon cancer are questioned about their diet and eating habits. These people are then followed for several years to see whether their eating habits can predict their risk of developing colon cancer. This is a case control study because it starts with cases, so people who have the disease, and controls, those who do not have the disease. And the controls are being asked about their risk for becoming a case. So the entire group is followed for a period of time, and the odds ratio here can be determined. So again, a 2x2 table, you have disease and no disease as the column headers, and exposure and no exposure in the rows. And you can see here that we've labeled each A, B, C, and D, and your totals A plus C and B plus D. So this comes back down to the odds ratio, which is A divided by C over B divided by D, or AD over BC. So then you can plug in the information that you find in these tables and plug it into the odds ratio.